Hi, I'm Dr. Cary Goldstein. I'm the founder of the Goldstein Dental Center here in Atlanta, Georgia. So we're going to now use a coarse diamond to get the basic shape for our veneer. And we're going to take this diamond and just sink it right into the occlusal in about 3 places, just to give us about a 0.5 millimeter reduction, so that we're going to take off so our veneer will wrap over the occlusal surface. By wrapping over the occlusal surface, it's going to give you some translucency in your veneer, and it's going to give you a positive seat when you go to cement. Notice what we're doing is using this coarse diamond, and we're going down just to the thickness of our depth grooves, and we're going to start to make our margin, and we're going to stay super gingival. Super gingival, assuming that the patient has a low lip line. We'll talk about that in just a moment. We're making sure now that we go into this interproximal area far enough so that all of the natural tooth is hidden by the veneer. We're going to now bevel the incisal edge so there's a nice smooth junction. Remember, porcelain does not like any sharp edges. Once again, we're not going to polish this preparation. I like a rough preparation so we get lots of surface area for our cement retention. Notice here that we have a butt joint here. No chamfer. It's nice and smooth here so that our ceramic is just going to come and end right here. It'll be 1.5 millimeters of thickness at this incisal edge, and you'll have much less chance of breakage of the ceramic. Now, we've left this super gingival. As long as your patient understands that that's where you're going to leave it, and if they pull their lip back, they can see that margin, that's great. I explain that to most of my patients. If you've got a patient with a high smile line, you've got to put some cord in here, or use some electrosurge or a laser, and remove some tissue and bring your margin down below the gingiva. We're going to talk today and just tell you that that's what we would do. And if we drop it down, we would drop with a different burr.